What's really the first thing you need to grow seeds is really a seed starting medium. Now it's not sponsored, I use ProMix BX, and I've used that for years, and I go ahead and plant everything in it. And then once the plants start growing, a couple leaves on them, then I start fertilizing them. This year I have an experiment that I did. There's a company that I follow called Floret, and they have a potting seed or seed starting mix that they have a little formula, and I did follow that formula. So I'm going to be doing a series this year. I'm going to see how these flowers and plants are really growing with this new formula that I'm doing. I used 1 bale of ProMix, 1 5-gallon bucket of high quality compost, 6 cups of bone meal, 3 cups of kelp meal, and 2.5 cups of blood meal. Now that's the recipe that Floret uses. I'm going to try it this year, but I also put some 2 cups of worm castings in it because I just had them and I thought, hey, they're great for the soil. Let's put those in there too. So that's going to be my experiment this year. So now I won't have to go ahead and fertilize. There's all this organic matter. So it will continuously, slowly fertilize all of my seedlings, and I'm going to see how they do compared to other years. Description below, I went ahead and put my formula in for seed starting mix. So if you're interested in that, and also some links to some of the products that I used.